done one of these since the IMC ran things.
Older, bro. Name's Maggie. What's yours? Could you hurry up and kill me before I die of old age? Morning, fellas. Don't be nervous. It won't help.
Margaret Cohery.
It's Mad Maggie. You put that on my grave.
You're charged with 27 counts of sedition, including 18 counts of inciting riots against the Syndicate Alliance of Free Worlds.
Do you think Salvo would riot if they were free?
9 counts of raiding Syndicate transport ships.
Ships that were transporting Salvonian supplies away from Salvonian mouths.
And of course, masterminding the cold-blooded attack on the Salvo Syndicate merger ceremony. What's your deluded self-justification for all that bloodshed, Cohery?
Freedom. There's always a price.
Devastating, cowardly, and pointless. The treaty's signed. Salvo is a Syndicate world now.
Salvo is a free world! No matter whose flag you shove in her soil! Which one of you gets to be the hero who killed Mad Maggie, eh? You!
Get back.
Ha! Mate, I've been ready to die for Salvo every day since I was 12.
Ready.
Fuck Salvo!
Mr. Silva says no.
I may be your judge and jury, but your old friends will be your executioners. You're heading to the Apex Games. The Outlands will watch you burn for your crimes.
Let's see him bloody try to kill me!